Oi, you gronks. Welcome back to another video. I have something to show you. Have a look at this. It's an iPhone. Video really doesn't do it justice. This thing is filthy. Okay, video does do it justice. Anyway, so Barnfind Falcon. What I'm doing is prepping it for track tomorrow. Just done fuel reg on it. Had fucking someone at Rally steal the fuel cap off the dog. Yeah, so anyway, fixing that up and yeah, getting ready for track. Kind of hoping I don't even need to do tyres because tyres are actually alright on it. Hopefully they're fucking actually a little bit slippery so I can do bloody turn 3 to 6. But yeah, need to do some tyres. Need a massive clean on the interior actually. Cause she a dirty boy. I don't have a rear window either. That's also the tool shelf at the minute. But yeah, it's filthy. And it didn't have a tarp over it for a long time. It did at the end. But yes, absolutely filthy. Egg. Yep, sick. I'm gonna keep getting to it because obviously I still got a little bit to do. But yes, I'll take you along for the ride. I forgot my GoPro, so you're getting the camera on my phone. I also bought another camera, didn't even fucking bring it. Oh, yeah, the exhaust as well. The exhaust is hanging down a bit, but realistically, tomorrow is the last event for this car in this state. A big plan coming up for it. We'll take quite a little while to rebuild it, but yes, so last time the Cus-Turd, which is the blue turd, renamed Cus-Turd because it's cream, we'll be doing an event. So yes, anyway, I'm gonna stop dribbling. Let's get back to fixing the fucking thing. So I'm trying to fill the car up with this. I know it looks like diesel, it's 98, don't worry about it. But it turns out whoever borrowed the fuel cap off the fuel tank has also borrowed my jiggler. So I can't actually fill this up. I can't find a fucking bit of hose or anything for it, which is annoying. Also, in trying to find that, I opened this door and this latch is now broken. So I'm gonna have to fix that. Why broke for? Anyway, is what it is. Really thought this was gonna be an easy one. I mean, it is an easy one, but how annoying. Anyway, right, so I was unsuccessful in finding anything to work with this, but I have a very fucking bent jerry can. So I'm gonna use this because I've realized it can sort of bend over the top. So, with any luck, I shouldn't spill a drop. Here you go, can. Or, yeah, definitely not spilling any drops. Fuck, I'm good. Hey, not that bad. Honestly, I've done worse. Hey, some sniff for the car, some sniff for me. Hell yeah, brother. Still need to go get a jiggler or something later, so I could probably stop fucking spilling this shit and just get the rest of them when I buy another one. But I just want to get this car started, and yeah, I'm already here, so might as well just fucking keep on. Good enough. So a whole bunch of shit has happened. It is now very dark, but anyway, we're back with the Falcon. I'm gonna try jump start it. I think theoretically it should be fine. Anyway, let's find out. Oh, how good is this? Egg. He glowing, man. Alright, first time's a charm. Surely straight on, I reckon. Watch this. Actually, we'll prime it a couple times. She definitely had fucking no fuel in her. And it was like E85 and fucking rain. Alright, ready? Let's go 2 1, first go. Thinking. Hey, come on, man. You got this. Sounds like it needs more fuel. Or spark. Maybe I've got failed plugs. But no, we fixed them. I'm confusion. We will work it out and get back to. I think the spark plugs are gummed up. I've just pulled some spare ones out of an old engine we've got lying around, so chuck them into here, and then yeah, see how we go. I believe that we have a car I can use instead tomorrow if we can't get this running. But yeah, I'd like to give this one last run before I rip it apart, but if not, it is what it is. Just good to get a drive, and haven't driven in this country in almost a year, so hell yeah. Anyway, I'll let you know how I go. Righto, round 2, let's see what happens. New plugs. She's still not happy, man. What the hell? Anyway, let me try something else. Hey, so I got my mechanic friend. Sorry, storage ran out of my phone, so that last clip got cut short. But basically, we found out the coolant temp sensor was broken, playing all sorts of issues. Fixed that and started straight away. God damn, boy. Huh? That's hot as fuck. Oh, more flex than a Land Cruiser, bud. Oh. Yeah, just flatten her out. Yeah, no worries, yeah. Why are you doing burnouts? Can't help. It's too long. Oh, mate, yeah. Straight safer and that.